Welcome to the Coves at Ocean Club, Egg Harbor Township's newest 55-plus active adult community built by D.R. Horton. If you're looking for a low-maintenance lifestyle, beautifully designed homes, and resort-style amenities starting at $400,000, this is the place for you. Stay with me as we take a closer look at what Coves at Ocean Club has to offer.
Your best life today, taking the stress of the process away. At Keller Williams, we'll make it alright. Your highest quality of life is inside.
Coves at Ocean Club is designed with modern active adult in mind, offering thoughtfully crafted homes, luxurious community spaces, and a vibrant lifestyle, all at an incredible value starting in the 400,000s. D.R. Horton is offering a variety of spacious, beautifully designed homes with options to fit your needs, including ranch style and 2-story floor plans, 2 to 4 bedrooms, and 2 to 3 bathrooms, gourmet kitchens with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, luxurious owner suites with walk-in closets and spa-like baths, energy-efficient smart home features, attached 2-car garages, and even covered patios. So whether you're looking for a cozy retreat or extra space for a family and guests, these homes are designed for both comfort and style. All right, so welcome to the Bristol model, and this is the model home here for the Coves community here in Egg Harbor Township. And I love this open concept design. I'll show you around here. Take a look at this setup here. We've got a beautiful open kitchen right behind me. We've got the family room, living room right here, dining area, all very open, plus a flex room. So welcome inside the Bristol. Let's take a look at the kitchen area right here. We've got a beautiful kitchen space. The center island is huge. We've got the dishwasher, sink here, 3 stools here. As you come in this way, we have the white cabinetry, 42-inch cabinets, beautiful granite countertops here, stainless appliances, a pantry area, got your stove, plenty of cabinet space, counter space. It's just a really beautiful setup here. And the thing I like about this too is very open concept. So you have your dining area right here, right off of the kitchen. Right off the dining area is a covered patio, which is awesome. Great space right here with the sliding door going right out. And then you continue on with this open concept area here with the living room. So great space here, very open and beautiful layout. Now right off of this wall is the flex room. The flex room can be used as an office space, a dining room if you needed a formal dining room, even as a guest area if you have guests staying for the night. You can put a pull-out couch in there, a futon. And so you've got a great flexible space there. So follow around with me here. Let's take a look at the owner suite. It's very spacious. Now I will say the model, the ceiling height in this model looks like it's probably about 9 feet. So it is a higher ceiling, which really adds to the spaciousness of this home. We have a lot of natural light coming in here, windows here. And then as you head this way, we head right into the bathroom suite. So now welcome into the owner suite bathroom. And this is really a beautiful sanctuary. You got a space here. We have dual vanities, plenty of counter space here, plenty of cabinet space. We have a private room for the toilet. We have a separate shower area here, and this is a seated shower. There's even a window above, so you have some natural light coming in there, which is great. And as you head further back into here, this goes right into the spacious walk-in closet. It is a large walk-in closet. Plus, right off the walk-in closet is the laundry room. So really convenient access to the laundry room. There's a door right here going right into the laundry. So you have everything you need right here, all close by in the beautiful owner suite. All right, now let's talk flex room. This Bristol model does have the flex room, which is a great space. I love this. Right off the hallways you come in. We have these glass doors, double doors to go into the flex room. And this is a great space. So you could use this as a office space, extra family room, living area, even a dining area if you wanted to. So a lot of flexibility with the design of the Bristol. Then also right as you come in the front entryway here, other nice thing I like about this layout, off to this side to the front of the house is the second bedroom, and you also have the full bathroom in the hallway. Nice thing, it's actually on the opposite side of where the owner suite is all the way in the other end of the house in the back. This bedroom is in the front. So opposite sides of the house in both directions. So plenty of privacy here. If you do have guests, you're going to use this extra bedroom. They're going to be very well separated from the owner suite. All right, so now I'm out back on the Bristol model. This has a covered porch. So this is a really nice space. If you want to have a little overhang here, if you're out in bad weather or rain, You can just sit out here and enjoy the outdoor space. And then I'll show you around the backside over here. So right now, this is still very much an active construction site, as you see behind me. A lot of homes still to come in here, about 250 homes total when this is all said and done. So huge development here. And there's a lot of activity going on here. I'll show you around a little bit more next. All right, on site here at the Coves, giving you the tour of the Bristol model, but I do want to walk around a little bit, show you around the rest of the community. So there's a part of the community which is the 55 plus community. Then there's single family, non-age restricted, and townhomes that are non-age restricted. So that's all part of this one larger community, about 600 plus homes. The 55 and over is going to be about 250 homes. I'll show you around a little bit, and as you can see, there's still a lot more homes going up here, but all behind me here, these are all vacant lots. We have a couple on this side though. So you do have an option for this community to get a second floor. The second floor will give you a loft area, another bedroom, and another bathroom. This is a Clifton model right behind me that does have the second floor option. All right, so I just want to show you how much progress is being made here on the community. We have about 4 houses over on this side of the street, including the model home. And then over on this side, we've got about another 6, 7, 8 houses going up. And then down there on the distance, there's another 4 that are already up. They're getting electric soon here, so then they'll be starting to sell these properties. So right behind me, you see this site is where the clubhouse is going to be. They've got the parking lot already here for the clubhouse, and they're building it right here. It looks like they're pouring the slab there for the foundation. This will be a smaller side. On the smaller side, as far as the clubhouse, it will be a pool, pickleball courts, fitness center on a smaller scale, but definitely adequate for the number of homes, because this is going to be a smaller community, about 250 homes. So it'll definitely be an adequate size for the number of homes that are going up here. Beyond the homes, Coves at Ocean Club offers incredible amenities designed to bring neighbors together and enhance your lifestyle, including a beautiful clubhouse with social spaces and planned activities, fitness center to help you stay active, outdoor pool and patio for relaxation and fun, walking trails and scenic open spaces, pickleball and bocce courts for friendly competition, low maintenance living with lawn care and snow removal included. Located right in Egg Harbor Township, Coves at Ocean Clubs offers the perfect balance of peaceful surroundings with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. You're just minutes from the beaches of Atlantic City, golf courses, medical centers, and major highways, making it easy to enjoy everything the Jersey Shore has to offer. If you're ready to experience the best of 55 plus living in a brand new home, Coves at Ocean Club is the perfect place to call home, but prices will be increasing as the community develops. Contact me now to learn more or take a look at the community in person. And if you want to learn more about the community, including models, layouts, and current pricing, watch this video next.
Helping you live your best life today, taking the stress of the process